Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chinmo Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a special gabay for the month of August 9 hanggang August 15 for the sign of Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices sa spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Okay guys, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos sa ating i-upload every time and anywhere. And of course, don't forget to follow my FB account, Chin Rodriguez, nandyan po sa ating taas. Yan. Ayan. Okay, maraming salamat guys. Follow nyo ako dyan at manood kayo ng mga videos ko dyan. Maraming salamat. And of course, this reading is general reading na, general reading lamang para sa ating ating mga kapatid na Gemini. So, umpisa na natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Gemini. Ano kayang messages sa'yo ng ating spirit guides ang ating masasagap o makakagilap natin? Angel Spirit, Angels Ganap, ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini? Ooh, there's a 7 of. Ay, there is a truth reveals na malalaman mo. There's a, sinasabi sa'yo dito na may nagsisinungaling behind your back. There's a betrayal, deceptions, no? Kumbaga ito ay merong truth reveal. There's a secrets reveal. Kumbaga maraming mailalantad, there's an unseen, no? Maraming mailalabas ngayon, katotohanan, mabubulgar, no? And of course, there's a two of swords, there's a decision, no? Kailangan mo magdesisyon. And of course, there's a four of cups, may mga bagay na may hihirapan kang tanggapan, pero kailangan mo i-analyze, re-evaluate, retreat, no? Kailangan mong anuhin yung sarili mo, pangalagaan ang sarili mo. What is additional messages? There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Some of you baka may darating na bagong person or there's a person coming in for you. Tingnan natin, what is the Moon card? See, there's a devil. So, some of you merong gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. So, meron talagang gumagawa ng black magic involved sa'yo tuwing madaling araw. No? Nakakaramdam ka tuwing madaling araw na pananakit ng katawan. Nagigising ka some of nowhere, alas 2 o alas 3, may kulam ka te. And of course, there's a two of cups. There's a partnership. Some of you guys, there's an ex. No? Kumbaga, there's an ex or there's a friend. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 6 of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances. Okay, at the same time, there's a judgment call. Kumbaga, there's a red flag, no? Kumbaga, may paalala na sa'yo yung divine pero hindi ka nakikinig. No? I-analyze mo daw ang mga angels messages sa'yo. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis ang eksena at magiging, kumbaga, itong tao na to, kumbaga, knight in shining armor mo, bigla kang ililigtas, no? At bila ka isa-save sa broken momentum. And of course, there's an 8 of Wands. There's some messages, no? There's a lot of messages or there's an information now. Kasi, may naiinggit, nagseselos, no? Kumbaga, there's a emotional pain na ginawa. Kumbaga, na-trauma tong tao na to kaya ginawan ka ng di maganda sa mga. So, I told you, there's a sleepless nights, no? Okay, may binayaran daw tong tao na to, ha? Binayaran para lang gawang ka. Yeah, para you're feeling isolation. Kahit sa ang eksena para nahihirapan ka mag-decision, there's a Chariot card. No? Kumbaga, take an action. Kailangan mo kumilos, gumalaw. Kailangan mo masolusyonan to. And of course, there's a 10 of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. No? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng ano dito, mindset, no? Na kumbaga pag dumating tong taong na to or perspective baga, kung dumating to, kumbaga siya na sana, no? At magpo-focus na ako sa kanya. And of course, there's a 7 of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. There's a planting. Kumbaga, pinagplanuhan, no? Pinagplanuhan talaga tong gawang ka ng hindi maganda. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning coming in for you. And the Empress card, rebirth, no? Kumbaga, some of you parang, may mga tao dyan or may mga babae dyan na nasa sense ko na hindi nabubuntas, merong sakit, merong ginawang sakit, ha? Kumbaga, merong nilagay na may sakit about sa matres. May nilagay dito. Parang hindi regular ang ang fertility mo. And there's a justice card, there's a balance, no? Magiging balance ka, of course may hostisya dito. And then same time, there's a Four of Wands, there's some messages, and of course there's an information, or there's celebration, and of course marriage, no? What is the outcome? Outcome is a have confidence, Queen of Wands, stability, and of course there's a Three of Wands. There's a waiting for a result. And of course, there's a Page of Wands, there's a good news. No? May magandang balita sa'yo na nag-aantay. At hintayin natin kung ano pang mga posibilidad na mangyayari sa'yo. Pero kailangan mong mag-ingat at magpagaling. Ha? What is the Love Oracle card? Girl with the snake, I told you. See? May ahas di. No? It's an ex or it's a friend. Or there's a passion. No? Kumbaga, naiinggit to sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, para sa'yo, napakapatas ng eksena, no? Parang, feeling sa'yo, parang ang swerte-swerte mo, gano'n. Kumbaga, naiinggit to tao na to. Inggitera talaga to, te. Pag inggit to, pikit to, naku, gigigil ako dito. And a healing heart. Maghihil na raw ang puso mo, no? Nakakapanginig ng laman to mga mangkukulam na. No? Mga ganyang mga gumagawa ng hindi maganda. And there's an environmentalism, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, surround mo yung nasa paligid mo. Kumbaga, kailangan mo makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a family or you are family-oriented. At the same time, there's an infinite abundance. Merong nag-aantay sa yung magandang bukas, no? Sinusuportaan ka ng ating angel spirit na magkaroon ka ng masaganang buhay, siksik-liglig na guumapaw, at walang hanggang abundance. What is angel's messages? Okay, there's a white enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity, kaliwanagan, and there's a resolution. Masusolusyonan na yung problema mo. No, kumbaga sinasabi mo, bakit kaya ganito? Bakit hindi ako makatulog? Bakit may nararamdaman ako? Nagpatingin ako pero wala naman nakikita, wala namang findings. Ano nangyayari sa akin? Parang gano'n, nawiwirdohan ka na sa sarili mo. And kung sinasabi dito, there's a unicorn, trust, magtiwala ka. And there's a reaching for your goal or dreams. Go for it. Ilaban mo daw yan. What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Monsology is the energy is gaining momentum. Malapit ka na raw sa exciting party. And of course, nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation kung hindi ka magtitake ng action. Okay. What is Archangel Michael messages? This time is already resolved. This situation is already resolved. Nasolusyonan na raw yung problema mo. Some of you baka nagpagamot na. Or yung iba hindi pa na nasusolusyonan. Energy healing works. See, I told you, di ba? Kailangan mo magpagamot, no? Kailangan mo magpagaling. Kailangan mong gamutin. Kasi there is something wrong na nararamdaman mo. So, what is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? There's a 9. I am compassionate, no? At the same time, sinasabi dito, it's your compassions that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others, and your soul is most satisfied when you are being or service. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, kumbaga sa puso mo talaga, hindi yan trabaho, no? Kumbaga, ginagawa mo yan kasi mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. So, what is the chakra? So, what is the chakra? What is the chakra? Okay, there's a destiny. So, there's a destiny to happen. Meron daw nakatadahan na mangyari. And of course, there's a rejection, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng mga rejections, failure, and of course, there's a services. So, some of you guys, there's a services na about sa trabaho mo, service crew or service, about services. And of course, there's a mysticism. Ibig sabihin, may misteryo talagang gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Hindi mo pa nakikilala at hindi pa nalalantad ang pagkatao nito. And of course, sabi the truth reveal, malalaman mo naman. What is the energy? What is the energy? Okay, there's a victory. So, magkakaroon ka na ng victory and success dito. At ang may isa sa katuparan, there's a broken heart. Talaga nagkaroon ng broken heart. And door to personal healing and happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng personal healing and happiness. Magiging masaya ka naman in the near future. And woman holding a heart. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang may hawak ng puso o siya ang may hawak ng puso mo. So, what is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? Okay, thank you. Attaining peace. So what is attaining peace? Today I turn within to find the source of the experience. Says there I find the peace that comes from seeking truth. I understand that riches I discover within myself has a greater value than all the wealth of that outside world. Step by step I continue my spiritual guest. Little by little I free myself, rising ever higher and attaining true interest. So ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan or sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga dahan-dahan lang. There's a process and progress. Hindi mo naman pwedeng madaliin yan dahil hindi ka naman noodles ay instant. Instant. Okay guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. This reading is for a special gabay for the month of August 9 hanggang August 15 for the sign of Gemini. Don't forget to follow my FB account. Nandiyan po sa taas natin. Maraming salamat po. And of course, see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!